हाँ पिला तो
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubham Navghare. My firm's name is Sutar. So, my full name is Shubham Mangala Navghare. I represent my mother's name in my introduction. Mm, So, in my family members, I have my father, Mr. Subhash Navghare, my mother, Mangala Navghare, she is a housemaker, my brother, Shrikant Navghare, he is a final year student and he is working in NatWest Bank, and and another brother, Pranay Navghare, he is a second year engineering student. I'm born in Nagpur, and my hobbies एक ही हॉबी है लॉन्ग ड्राइव की और कोई हॉबी नहीं है एक्टिविटीज एंड टॉपिक ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आई मोस्टली वर्क ऑन फर्नीचर डिजाइंस एंड न्यू बिजनेसेस आइडियाज लाइक it's a startup generation, so I work on these models how to implement these models in our business to grow. So professional info, I started this company 3 years back in 2020. Before that, from last 4 generation, my family was into this business. But I pursued education in computer science since my family didn't wanted me to be in this business. But मेरे को भी नहीं अच्छा लग रहा था इसमें काम करना, फ्रस्ट्रेशन आ गई तो मैंने छोड़ के अपना ये बिजनेस चालू किया. Then I'm director in another company, Orilla Exports Private Limited. In this company we trade in rice in West African country. Then business description we do. It's a customized premium furniture manufacturing business. So we make furniture according to designs given by architects, clients, interior designers. In previous jobs, I worked in Tech Mahindra for around 2 years and in Majorel India for around 1 year. I was a full stack developer. We used to develop web applications. Their skills, furniture designing, interior designing, and web development. Social networks, Sampark, and then I'm well connected with architects and interior designer. I'm also connected with many IT professionals. So if anybody needs any help in IT industry, please connect with me. Goals: to be the largest premium furniture manufacturing brand till 2035 and to be the largest exporters of Central India till 2035. Now, referrals that work well for me is architects, interior designers, builders, high network individuals, hotel and cafe owners, and hospitality consultants. These are some of our work. Thank you.